Krabies has been around since the early 50s. I am the third family to have the privilege of owning this establishment. We have to have beef on our menu. It is absolutely about the beef.
Welcome to Krabies!
We go probably, I would say, at least once every 2 weeks.
My go-to is definitely the tenderloin. Really appreciate how they cook it there. It's got a lot of flavor and it's good.
The Jeannine signature is our biggest seller. It is a toasted bread. It's caramelized onions, blue cheese, top-tier 7-ounce tenderloin, sprinkled with a little balsamic on top.
We've been there for anniversaries, we've been there for birthdays. They make you feel warm and welcome every time you come in, no matter who you are.
I want that sense for all of my customers that come here to know that you're amongst family and this should be like your second home.